So we are back nga po pala. So could you sorry for the technical problems nga po pala. So we are back again. So here it is. Can you, okay, let's continue. So can you see here the rear wing of the with the Ferrari outline? It's just like he just made in plastic, unlike the old one. It's made in carbon fiber. I have one of these in a 2022 version. So here's the 2022 version. This is made in proof in carbon fiber, but the F175, yes, but the SF23 is made out in plastic at all. Okay, let's proceed with the let's proceed with their side pads. The SF23, I think they pretty much the cooling in the side pads, that's the only difference between over here in the F175 diecast. Then if we ask kung ang nose naman ng hindi to, they are different. The F175 has a spark no, have a long spike nose with it, but the SF23 is just like it's not okay. So okay, so here's the difference among of these two. Okay, that's better. So over the winglets, yes, the old sponsor of Ferrari is the Snapdragon. Then I don't know what is this yellow dot. I think just maybe tingin ko lang yung yellow dot, so they can put it something. And of course we wanna really to see is this one. So can you see the Scuderia Ferrari up logo? They just instead putting the QR code, they just put a white square on it. And nagtataka din kayo dito, you're wondering under the why there's no sponsor, why there is no VGW Play sponsor or Global Poker sponsor on this Ferrari, on this SF23 diecast. Because the VGW Play is an gambling sponsor. So just like this, we have a couple of sponsors. We have we have Shell, wait, we have Shell, you're right, Seva, Ray-Ban, Shell, Seva, Ray-Ban, VistaJet, SKF, NGK, and also Brembo. Here's the most I really like on this car. Here's the Shell V-Power and the logo. And the logo of the FIA, also the Pirelli tires, number 16. Of course, tomorrow is Charles' birthday too. Is October 16. So okay, this is the, I think this is the former sponsor of Ferrari, the Z, the C, the C, the ZCG, ZCG, okay, right, is the old a partnership of Alfa Romeo. Yeah, we have Richard Mille, OIRR, OIR. So it's just like the 2029 2019 version of this. And HCL software, Shelby Power, Genesis, House, Palantir, Pirelli, Mile, and there's the here one in the mirrors. We can see the Harman. Okay, I will just said Harman Automotive and Riva Yacht. Of course, the Shell over here. So let's see the back, the beam wing. The back, it's look good also. Just like the real thing. Except for the lights. There are no certain of lights. Except you're gonna buy an 118 scale of this. A perfect detail, and of course, right, the lights. So okay, around here, okay, this is number 16. And also the Santander. And also I put my mug over there, my old mug used when I was kapag umiinom ako ng kape, ito yung mug na ginagamit ko. Pero the SF23 has arrived here, so there are no scenario to be used or not to be used. So I would say this is the better. The SF23 is looking good actually than the F175. So I think that's it all. So if you okay, right, I think, wait, no, where let's see. So I gonna see you the real So before I say goodbye riddance, this is RTV. Here's the real thing, the car launch, and there's the my diecast. So me see let you see let all see the video W play version of this one. I know there is a VGW play version, but it's not Burago. It's BBR model uh, model store. So here's the VG has a VGW play. If if do you want a if do you want, and you can, but it's more expensive when you buy in BBR or in eBay, but this one's mine. I buy this in Shopee, not in eBay. So if you want a VGW play detail on your Ferrari SF23, you can buy a BBR. You can buy in BBR, or you can put some expert detail putter, yung marunong magkabit ng details ng VGW play, and also the global poker, and also actually there are so many liveries of the Ferrari. The Monaco one is the number 16 of Charles Leclerc, has a Monaco flag, and in Spain Carlos Sainz have his 55 logo with Spain color flag katabi ng 55 ng logo ni Carlos Sainz. So I think that's it for all for today. Nothing at all. So see you again in the race weekend in USA, in United States Grand Prix. See you on my review. Goodbye.